I wasn't going to take you up here, but I think I'm going to show you this a little bit closer. I see up in there. There's hopefully you can see that. There, trying to get the light out of there. There's some nails up there. See those nails? Right up in there. And they're not even in anything anymore. Up in there, see? And first thing I have to do is remove those nails, because there's no way this is going to go back in. Right, and in fact, when I push this back in from here, it might hit the stucco there. I'm not quite sure. I may have to chisel that back a little bit to have it snug up in there, but we'll just have to see. Because the last thing I want to do is to have this split out. See that nail? That nail right there has split the bottom edge of the fascia across there, and then there's a nail right in there. It's split this triangular piece. I'm going to try to save all that. Okay, first things first, I got to get those nails removed. Now, how am I going to do that? If you've seen some of my videos before, you would think, I think you have an idea of how I would do that. Kaboom. This is how I'm going to do it. See here, it's just a hacksaw blade. I'm just taking it out, and I'm going to hold it like this, and I'm going to saw it. I don't need a holder on it and buy one of those at the store, do all that kind of stuff. Just took it out of a hacksaw. And see, I like to get the finer teeth. This is 32. TPI is teeth per inch. 12 inches long. They've got these hacksaw blades in different lengths. Did you know that? So make sure you measure your hacksaw blade and your hacksaw first before you go to the store and get one. Think, they all are the same. Come back and find out it's too long, it's too short, or whatever. And because the teeth are so small, see how small those teeth are? You can hardly see them. It's important to go the right direction. You want to go against, if the blades are going this way, that's the way you want to saw. You don't want to flip it around and go the opposite, because you'll be sawing all day. You might think, well, is there an easy way to figure that out? Because if you can't see very well, you've got to squint in there. Well, usually they have an arrow, like a half an arrow, see? And it's telling you the teeth are going this direction. That's why you can see I've used this hacksaw blade before, just on this end, to get up in there and cut some nails out of an electrical junction box, and I was pulling it out of the wall. And I used my trusty hacksaw. That's why you don't see any other marks anywhere else. So I'm just going to take that, get up in there, saw away, and cut those nails right off. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.